Dear students, welcome you to session 17, chapter Financial Statement Analysis, Financial Management, 6th semester BCom of Mangalore University. Session 17 is about the common size balance sheet. So prepare common size balance sheet from the following information. The information of 2 years are given, 2019 and 2020. The liabilities, we have share capital, reserves, long-term loans, current liabilities. So total for 2019, 10 lakhs, and 2020, we have again share capital, reserves, long-term loans, current liabilities, and the total is 15 lakhs. And the assets for the 2 years, fixed assets and current assets, total is 10 lakh and 15 lakhs. With this information, common size balance sheet has to be prepared. So in case of a common size balance sheet, the total of the assets or liabilities are taken as 100 and all other items in the balance sheet are expressed as a percentage of that. Now the preparation of a common size balance sheet, the columns particulars 2019, there are two columns, amount and percentage. 2020, two columns, amount and percentage. Now the first one is 2090, assets, fixed assets 8 lakh rupees, current assets 2 lakh rupees, total 10 lakh rupees. Then we write down the liabilities, share capital, reserves, long-term loans, current liabilities, total liabilities. We write down the value of all the items. And then what we do is find out this total assets, that is 10 lakh rupees, is taken as 100 and the other items, fixed assets and current assets, are taken as a percentage of the total assets. So if total assets is 100, what is the percentage of fixed assets? So we have to find it out. 8 lakhs divided by 10 lakhs into 100, that is 80%. Current assets, 2 lakh divided by 10 lakh into 100, that is 20%. So the total assets is taken as 100. The other items in the balance sheet, that is the fixed assets as well as the current asset, are taken as a percentage of the total assets. Now come to the liabilities. The total liabilities is 10 lakh. So 10 lakh, the percentage is 100 and each item we will have to consider now. Share capital 5 lakh. 5 lakh divided by 10 lakhs into 100, 50%. Reserves 1 lakh divided by 10 lakhs into 100, 10%. Long-term loans 3 lakh divided by 10 lakhs into 100, 30%. Current liabilities 1 lakh divided by 10 lakhs into 100, that is 10%. So we have found out that the share capital is 50% of the total liabilities of the organization. Then we have long-term loans. Long-term loans are 30% of the total liabilities. Now coming to 2020, the fixed assets 12 lakh and the current assets 3 lakh. Total is 15 lakh. Again we have all the liabilities items, that is share capital, reserves, long-term loans, current liabilities. Total is 15 lakhs. Now in case of assets, 15 lakhs is taken as 100. Then we find out the other items. If the fixed asset is 12 lakh, 12 lakh divided by 15 lakhs into 100, that is 80%. 3 lakh divided by 15 lakhs into 100, that is 20%. Now coming to the liabilities, the share capital 10 lakhs divided by 15 lakhs. 15 lakhs is the total liabilities into 100, that is 66.67. Reserves 1 lakh divided by 15 lakhs into 100, 6.67. Long-term loans 2 lakh divided by 15 lakhs into 100, 13.33%. Current liabilities 2 lakh divided by 15 lakhs into 100, 13.33%. And now we can analyze the common size balance sheet. The share capital in case of 2019, it was 50% of the total liabilities, whereas in 2020 the share capital is increased and it is 66.67%. Another notable thing is regarding the long-term loans. Long-term loans were 30% of the total liabilities and now it has reduced. It has reduced to 13.33%. Now it is 2 lakh out of 15 lakh. So it is 13.33%. So we have found out the percentage of all the items in the balance sheet in relation to the total assets or total liabilities. Students, if you have any doubts regarding the common size balance sheet, please do ask me. Thank you.